been a minute. Welcome back to April Boxycharm unboxing. Alright, so March I missed out. I missed out on a Boxycharm because I was in Florida, and then by the time I got home, I didn't have time to film. So I apologize for that. But we have April here ready and waiting for you guys. I haven't heard anything about this box. So Boxycharm, what it is. It's a monthly subscription service that sends you goodies to your house every single month for a small fee. If you'd like to sign up for Boxycharm, I will put a link in the description bar below. If you don't, that's okay. I won't be offended. But if you do sign up using my link, I get a small portion of that. It goes to help your girl Samantha, and I appreciate that. But again, if you don't want to use my link, you can go directly to Boxycharm and sign up, or you cannot sign up, or you can sign up, what? Okay, so let's just jump into the box. Alright, I have not seen anything about this box yet. Here we go. So, there's the card. It's kind of like, it's different this month. It's an opening card. Looks like there is a 10% off coupon and a VIP offer, so they've got some coupons, a little bit of a different format for Boxycharm. Yeah, and they have like a fold out now. This is new. They usually put a card and put all the goodies. Alright, so inside here, we got some good stuff, looks like, guys. Something from Tarte, looks like the Tariest Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. I got the color Stunner, so let's open this up. This is a value of $29, and this is Joelle's Fave. Looks like the theme this month is favorites. So it looks like there's a whole bunch of influencers, so it must be their favorite products, which I would deduce. Okay, so the Tarte Pro Glow. Let's see what this looks like. Uh-oh, looks pretty. It looks like a champagne highlight. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you guys see that? Look at that. That's really nice. Let me put a little bit of this on my skin. Let's see what it would look like. That's nice. That's pretty. See, I don't normally go for liquid highlighters, but that's nice. I would probably mix that in with my foundation even. Like, look at that shine. You guys see that? So nice. I love that like champagne-y pearl. Again, this is in the color Stunner. Alright, so the next thing in here is from Colourpop. This is the Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette. So here we go. This is nice. I love Colourpop. They have great products, and they're now readily available everywhere. Walking into Sephora. Ooh, oh. That's a lot of eyeshadow. My goodness, look at this pink. My lord. All right, let's swatch this. Let me swatch this. Get a little towel ready so I can wipe off. Let's get for the first three colors. Do they have names? Let's check. First of all, they feel really creamy. Feel super creamy. Okay, so this is Peace of Mind, Labyrinth, and Rayon. So let's check those out. We'll do arm swatches. All right. These are, the top two are very light. So these two are going to be very, very light. Even though I'm trying to swatch them, I'm light, and these are really light. You can't even see them on my skin. The next three colors are, what is this? Details, Opulent, and Silk Street. So Silk Street looks nice, and so does Opulent. Looks like a dual chrome, shifty kind of color. All right. This one, what's this one? This one is Silk Street. That looks really pretty. All right, let me wipe off my hands. The next three shades are Late Night, Subdue, and Sea Stars. These three colors. Whoa, whoa, mama. We're running out of real estate here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like those. All right, and the final three are Feels, Go With The Flow, and Blank Canvas. I look like a rock star. Okay, so these are the last three. This color, that's a beautiful cranberry. Wow, they're really pigmented. I really think these are great quality. I like Colourpop eyeshadows. I think that their pan formulas are really good. I wasn't necessarily a huge fan of the potted shadows because I'm a little older, so certain cream shadows kind of crease on me sometimes, even when I use primer. So, but I do like dry shadows like this. I am a huge fan, and these colors are beautiful. This one especially. Oof, I can't wait to use that one. I think I might use that for work tomorrow. Okay, so anyway, that was a value of $16 if I didn't say it before. Okay, the next thing we have here is Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Hello. This says award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. I am a huge fan of Dr. Brandt. I think they make an amazing product, a variety of it. It is closed, so we're just going to open it up because we will not be giving this away. So you put a little bit on your skin and it looks clear, right? And then as you blend it, it turns blue. Do you see that? That's so cool. I'm like, oh, it's so fancy. So fancy. There we go. I really love Dr. Brandt. So I'm excited. You know what? When I get in the shower tonight, I'm going to use this little puppy. I'm sure I'm going to love it. All right, so this is our MSRP of $47. Holy mackerel. And that is Angela's fave. Oh, Valentina's fave was the Colourpop palette. I forgot to tell you guys. The next thing is Brow Gal. Oh, I have these. I love this. It's a tinted eyebrow gel. And this is an MSRP of $22. It's Barbie's fave. And this is, what color? Light hair. So that's cool. It's a tinted brow gel with microfibers. So I already have brow product in, but let me go ahead and try it anyway. Hopefully this doesn't jack up my eyebrows. It's got a cute little brush. And let's see what we can do. Okay, it's pretty light, and my hair is pretty light. So it looks like a good color match. Honestly, I'm not gonna be able to tell if I like this until I use it on my bare brows, but the product doesn't have a scent, and I like the brush, and I like that it adds microfibers to make your eyebrows thicker because I have no freaking eyebrows. This is an MSRP of $22, and it says tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for customer who wants a thick but natural fill to their brow. All right, so the last thing is from Adesse. And this is a high definition liquid lipstick. Luxurious, creamy, long-wearing lipstick provides dazzling full coverage of a the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Okay, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant, $24. It's Debbie's fave. Let's see what color I have. Adesse. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, Adesse. Let's wow your girl. Oh, look at that color. Look at that color. Let's try it on. I love this color. Oh, it's got one of those cool paddle applicators. Oh, what? Do you see this color? What do you guys think? It looks pretty, right? All right. Alright guys, that is that. This one's Boxycharm. Honestly, I can tell that this was filled with favorites because these are all amazing products. There doesn't seem to be any misses. 10 out of 10 for me. Yeah, I'm really super excited. The theme is eye candy, huh? It's the eye candy theme. Makes sense. Okay guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, thank you for tuning in even though I'm a space cadet. Yeah, if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, link below. Click it, click it, click, click, click. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video, and that's it for me. Peace. What?